Hi everyone, I am Volkan Yetilmezer. Today I will review Boya DM20 Dual Channel Recording Kit. Boya DM20 is actually a converter. For example, you can connect a microphone to a phone without the microphone jack using this product, and two microphones. Let's start with the box first, then let me tell you the details. You can see the picture of the product at the top of the box. You can see the product number on the side and specifications on the back. Let me little bit show you. On the other side, it's possible to see a picture showing how it's connected. When we first open the package, the warranty certificate and the user manual come out. Comes with a hard surface case inside the box, extremely well thought out. When you open the back, the product and all accessories welcome you. Included in the package are DM20 Dual Channel Recording Kit, two lavalier microphones, two microphone holder for the collar, microphone foams, Type-C, Lightning and computer cables to connect via USB. DM20 only 28 grams. Light as a feather. You will see the right microphone volume valve and the switch for recording and play. On the left, there is a left microphone volume valve and mono stereo switch. There is a belt compression spring in the back. At the top, there are two microphones port and a telephone computer connection port. At the bottom, there is a headphone jack. Simply plug the microphone into one of the microphone port on the top and connect the microphone to the Type-C port on the top. Extremely easy. It doesn't need an extra battery. It's powered by phone or computer. The first time you plug it into the phone, you will see it doesn't work. But when you start recording, a blue light will light up on the top and the magic will start. Likewise, the first time you connect the computer, it will not work. When you start voice recording or activate the microphone, the blue light will turn on and recording will begin. Let me give you a few more details on how it works. If you only plug in a microphone, the sound recording will be mono. If you turn the side switch to stereo while a single microphone is connected, the sound will be recorded as single channel. No sound will be recorded on the other channel. If you move the switch to mono while a single microphone is connected, it will be copy the audio from the single channel to the second channel. All standard microphones work in this way. If you switch to mono after connection to microphones, you will get the same sound on the both channels. The difference between channels disappears. If you want to use true dual channel audio, plug into two microphones and then turn the switch to stereo. Sounds will be recording on spare channels. To listen to the sounds you have recorded, you must either remove DM20 from the phone or turn DM20 to play and then connect the headphone to the input at the bottom. Using headphones will be a smarter solution. Finally, you can attach it to the desired location using the rear arc spring. Now let's do some tests. Sound check 1 2 3. 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 Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in next video. Bye.